Hey everybody, it's Neil and I am signed up for a triathlon in a couple of months, so I figured, hey, I need some biking gloves that might be comfortable to wear while I'm doing that. And so I got these ones here. These are by, I guess, Vilico, Vilico. And so this is it here. These are red, I guess. And so I figured I'd get ones that are kind of thin and still some padding, just because the bike, when you're doing it, it's just all the training and everything like that, it just gets kind of bouncy. So hopefully this will help it. It feels good. It's got a little bit of like memory foam padding in there, and it's got good, even in between there, that's really nice that it has it there and on the thing. So everywhere you grip, you've got some padding. So really good. I gotta say, I like these. It's really comfortable. I could wear these for anything, for climbing or whatever, but these are good. And I don't know what size I got, but I got the right size. Probably got like a medium. I don't know if I can see in here. I don't know if it says, but these are cool. These are really comfortable and these are good. I like them. Thumbs up. Look at that. They look good.